Welcome back my YouTube channel Supercars TV 99. The Cadillac Celestiq is not just a car, it's a bold statement in automotive luxury and innovation. As Cadillac's ultra-luxury electric flagship, the Celestiq represents a new era for the brand, blending handcrafted elegance with cutting-edge F technology. Designed to compete with the likes of Rolls-Royce and Bentley, this bespoke electric sedan pushes the boundaries of design, performance, and personalization. Every unit of the Celestiq is handcrafted, offering a level of exclusivity and customization rarely seen in modern production vehicles. At first glance, the Celestiq's bumper is sculpted with sleek precision, seamlessly integrating into the futuristic design language. It doesn't scream for attention, but rather whispers refinement. The front grille area, though the vehicle is electric, retains Cadillac's iconic styling cues with a reimagined LED-lit grille pattern that pulses with a unique welcome animation as the driver approaches. The lower fascia is tastefully aggressive, hinting at the performance capability hiding within. The side profile of the Celestiq is long, low, and elegant, defined by flowing lines and a silhouette that exudes presence. Frameless doors, flush door handles, and pillarless glass contribute to its dramatic aesthetic, while massive wheels and subtle chrome accents enhance its luxurious character. Its sculpted body panels are formed with aerospace-grade techniques, and each model is hand-built at GM's Global Technical Center, underscoring its bespoke appeal. Inside, the Cadillac Celestiq offers one of the most opulent interiors in the automotive world. A 55-inch pillar-to-pillar screen dominates the dashboard, offering immersive displays for both driver and passenger, while the rear passengers enjoy their own individual screens. The cabin is wrapped in the highest quality materials. Real leather, metal, and hand-finished wood are all customizable to the buyer's exact preferences. The level of detail is staggering, with hundreds of hours devoted to interior craftsmanship, from personalized embroidery to ambient lighting that adapts to mood and time of day. The Celestiq's interior is more than a space, it's an experience. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Supercar TV 99. Moving to the rear, the back design continues the futuristic, cohesive aesthetic. The taillights feature vertical LED strips that echo the classic Cadillac look, yet feel entirely new. The rear bumper integrates smoothly with the liftgate, giving the Celestiq a clean and elegant backside. The vehicle's rear proportions are balanced and muscular, enhancing its road presence without being overly aggressive. The price of the Cadillac Celestiq starts at over $300,000, and it's worth noting that no two units will be exactly alike. Customers will go through a bespoke design process, working with Cadillac designers to build a vehicle that reflects their tastes and personality. This level of personalization justifies the premium price tag and places the Celestiq in a league of its own. Cadillac officially launched the Celestiq as a halo vehicle to showcase its electric future. It's built on GM's Ultium platform and promises exceptional range, performance, and technological innovation. With the Celestiq, Cadillac isn't just building a car, it's redefining what American luxury can be in the electric era.